PR are going to be happy to see us.
We call them chapri. What do we call them?
Chapri.
And do you know the meaning of chapri?
Am I going to be embarrassed when I get back?
Not really, not really, not really. The gulab jamun has nothing to do with gulab, or it's
Okay,
nothing to do with rose. So it can't be gulab jamun juice. You don't drink gulab jamun juice in India. No, you don't make gulab jamun juice. I never get your face. It's so tall. You're dumb.
Ulu Mazmanal.
मस्त बनाओ नहीं, उल्लू मत बनाओ. और फिर नहीं.
Finley.
फिर
Bill.
फिर
Bill.
फिर फिर
Bill.
नहीं.
Bill.
Yeah, so what there?
If I can make dal like this, I would have an Indian wife.
So how was your experience as me being the Slovak?
Next time, I'm going to ask someone else. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking.
लंदन से आया मेरा दोस्त, चलो उसको मुंबई दिखाते हैं. You see that tall guy? He's my friend Ash, and right now he's freaking out because I'm wearing all black with helmet and mask, and also because I'm recording him. Before he could panic, I revealed my face, and I'm so happy because I'm meeting him after 2 years, and I have planned this whole day for him. So let's see if he enjoys it. Our first place is Ramashrai in Matunga because we both are hungry, and also because he's a chef who's come to India to explore and taste the local cuisine. Is actually a menu card. This is your menu card. That's idli. That is chutney, and that is sambar.
That's somebody.
Yes, sambar. I personally love South Indian food, and Ramashrai is one of my favorite restaurants in Mumbai. We tried a lot of things here like idli, then masala dosa. I also taught him how to eat dosa with hand. And he's doing a great job. Then we also tried rasam vada. Honestly, I'm not that big fan of rasam. Maybe I never had the proper authentic one. If you guys know any good restaurant for it, do let me know. And this whole meal was incomplete without filter coffee. Whatever he did looked so fascinating that even we gave it a try. Ash also tried meetha pan, which they also call bida, and he liked it. After this delicious South Indian lunch, we are moving towards our next destination. On the way, I showed him a lot of famous attraction points in Mumbai, like the star attraction of Mumbai, the CSMT station. It's actually funny because all the tourist attractions I'm telling him about are actually built by the Britishers. Here we are passing by the iconic Flora Fountain, and while on the way, we also took a stop at Kala Ghoda. And finally, here we are at Colaba. Ash, what do you feel about this bus? Like how you have in London? What do you think that we had this in Mumbai?
I feel like when the British got kicked out of India, I think we left some of our stuff behind. We left our buses behind. We had to give you a donation.
Donation. Oh my God. I don't think we are ever welcoming you back to India. So this is your first sight of Gateway of India. How do you feel? How?
First sight. It's a beautiful, beautiful
Talk to
architecture.
the mic.
Talk to the mic. This is a beautiful architecture. I mean, I can see why everyone is coming here. No, but it's really nice. Like just the size of it, the size of the structure is beautiful.
You're saying, oh, look at that foreigner. Ooh, yes. What is that? What did I tell you? What is that?
The Taj Mahal Palace, or the Taj Palace.
Yes.
And then
I'm doing a great job. It's cute how everyone's looking at him like they're spotting a celebrity.
I'm assuming everyone speaks Hindi here.
Yes, almost everybody speaks Hindi. In Mumbai, in Mumbai, in Mumbai, in Mumbai, there is mix of culture. There are a lot of people from different parts of country flying in, settling here for work. So our culture is completely different. We accommodate everybody and any culture. So the basic language we can speak here is Hindi.
Yeah. I like the feel of the city. I like the people are friendly.
Yeah.
People like they want to say hello to you. They want to
They want to take pictures with you.
they want to take pictures of you. They want to like welcome you. They want to be like, oh, welcome to India, welcome to Mumbai. So it's nice. The people are friendly. The food is good.
Food is good.
Yeah, the food is good, and that's why I came here. So if the food was not good, I'd be a bit disappointed.
Yeah, food is good.
The food is very good. Saying that I stand out in the crowd.
Because he's saying because he's a white guy with a lot of tattoos and he's tall.
Am I going to be embarrassed when I get back?
Not really, not really, not really.
In the hotel lobby, they had like a different condiment of drinks, and yesterday they had something called gulab juice or gulab water, and it's very sweet. Because I know like gulab jamun. That's how you say it or not? That's not how you say it.
Gulab is rose.
Oh, okay.
And gulab,
Oh, okay.
and gulab jamun is a dessert.
Yeah,
So that is different. Gulab jamun has nothing to do with gulab, or it's
Okay,
nothing to
okay.
do with rose.
okay.
That is completely different.
Okay.
And rose, gulab
enough.
is gulab, yeah.
Okay.
So it can't be
It's not
gulab
too-
jamun
no,
juice. You don't drink gulab jamun juice in
No,
India.
it's too sweet.
No, you don't make gulab jamun juice. Along with gulab jamun joke, we soaked in the salty air of Mumbai, admired Taj Mahal Palace Hotel, and we are loving this beautiful color of the sky. We started walking and we thought of taking a quick walk through Kolaba market.
The market is quite narrow. It's a little bit cramped, but it's like a lot of markets in the world. But I mean, there's a lot of nice clothes.
Nice clothes. You like anything here?
I mean, I don't mind the Indian fashion, to be honest. Like shirts, I like I don't know what you call them, but like the baggy kind of, not trousers, but
Joggers.
yeah, like the baggy joggers. I don't mind the Indian fashion. Probably better than the UK fashion.
You guys don't have fashion.
No, we don't have fashion. That's right.
You just wear clothes.
Yeah, we just wear whatever is washed.
Because I'm with you, they are going to sell it for 50 rupees. But you think that if you are there, they'll charge you 500, right? So let me teach you something that will help you. When they charge you 500 rupees for one souvenir, you have to tell them, you have to say, Ullu mat banao. What will you say?
Ulu mazbanao.
I never get your face. It's so tall. You're dumb. Yeah, what are you going to say?
Ulu mazbanao.
Mast banao nahi, ullu mat banao. Ullu
Ulu
mat
mat
banao.
banao. We took a small halt at Cafe Mondegar for quick refreshments. Here we had a nice cup of black coffee. I know what you're thinking, but I had to ride and he doesn't drink. After a strong coffee, he also tried modak made by my mother and he liked it. This place was not on my list, but it was on the way, so why not? Basically, this is Crawford Market.
And see, because it's Sunday, it's almost all closed. But otherwise, you can see all these shops open. All the shops are open. Wherever you want to buy something in bulk, yeah, you buy from here. Any kind of spices, chocolates, dry fruits. They have a huge variety of everything, almost everything over here. This is how the market looks. So you want to see something interesting? They also have something called as pet market. Do you want to see pet market here? Ta-da! So we have come to Muhammad Ali Road, and there is Minara Masjid over there. And in Ramzan, especially Muslims come here, and by the time of iftari, they come here to do what?
You come here to break the fast.
He knows a lot.
I know myself.
That is samosa. That is laddu. It's called motichur laddu.
Laddu.
Yes, laddu.
This one.
I don't know what is
It
this.
looks nice, though.
This is aflatun.
That looks very nice.
And what we are going to try is firni, which is right over. Yeah. So it's called firni. No, it's called firni.
Finley.
Fir,
Phil.
fir,
Phil.
fir.
I don't have the R.
Okay, try this. Fir,
Phil.
ni.
Phil. Me.
Yeah, somewhat there.
Getting it.
There is no spice.
Yeah, you know, like. No, what's the taste? Nice. I like it. It's not nice.
From Muhammad Ali Road, we came directly to Nariman Point. It's my favorite place, and it's like my sukoon spot. I can sit here for hours and hours, of course, after sunset, but I have spent really good time here. After a lot of talking, we are hungry again. So here we are at Hindamata in Tardev. This is a chapati, this is dal, this is veg kolhapuri, and this is jeera rice.
The food was delicious. I loved the first. You call it the gravy. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the samzi. This was absolutely delicious. It had a good level of spice. I know it was a little bit too much for you, but it was lovely. I really enjoyed this one. And then with the roti was really nice, very buttery. Then we had the dal with the rice. If I can make dal like this, I would have an Indian wife.
So how was your experience as me being the tour guide?
Next time, I'm going to ask someone else. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking.
How much food is too much food? I don't think we have answer to that. Hence, we are here at Baba Faluda. We are having my all-time favorite Kaju Faluda. After spelling it for multiple times, I think he got it correct. And sadly, it's the end of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is your amazing tour guide Sarah signing off. Bye.
Bye. Thank you for today. It was amazing.
Bye.